If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The channel mixer adjustment in Photoshop lets you adjust the hue and brightness of colors within a specific color channel by mixing grayscale channel data from the existing color channels, which are called the source channels, into a selected color channel, which is called the output channel. For example, if you select an image layer in an RGB Photoshop document, you could mix the grayscale data from both the existing blue and green channels into the green channel to change the green color channel's overall influence within the composite image. You can also change the brightness of the selected output channel. If desired, you can also enable a monochrome rendering of the channel mixer that lets you mix the grayscale data or tint it for artistic effect. To apply a channel mixer adjustment to a selected raster layer or smart object layer in Photoshop, select Image, Adjustments, Channel Mixer from the menu bar to show the adjustment settings in the Channel Mixer dialog box that opens. Then make sure the Preview checkbox in the dialog box is checked to preview your changes. Alternatively, to apply this adjustment as an adjustment layer above the layer currently selected in the Layers panel, click the Channel Mixer button in the Adjustments panel to add a new Channel Mixer adjustment layer to the Layers panel and show the same adjustment settings in the Properties panel. To apply a channel mixer preset, select a preset from the Preset dropdown. The channel mixer presets that ship with Photoshop are all black and white variations. To reset the channel mixer preset, select the default choice from the Preset dropdown. To manually mix grayscale data from the color channels into a selected color channel, choose the color channel into which to mix the other color channels from the Output channel dropdown. Then click and drag the other color channel sliders below the output channel to set the percentage of each to mix into the selected output color channel. These color sliders change for RGB or CMYK documents. Alternatively, type positive or negative values from -100 to +100 into their adjacent fields. Note that mixing negative channel values inverts the channel's grayscale values before mixing it into the output channel. Also, ensure the total amount to mix from the other channels into a selected output channel doesn't exceed 100% as shown by the total value, or you run the risk of increasing the brightness and clipping highlights. To increase or decrease the brightness for a selected output channel, click and drag the constant slider, or enter a value from -200 to +200 into its adjacent field. If desired, to view the changes to the grayscale data within a selected output channel as you make channel mixer adjustments if using the Properties panel for a channel mixer layer, click the Channels panel. Then toggle the visibility of the composite color channel off. Then toggle the visibility of the other color input channels off. You can then see the channel mixer changes as you make them in the Properties panel in the remaining visible output channel. Just ensure you toggle the visibility of the other channels and the composite channel back on before switching back to the Layers panel when finished. Optionally, to make a monochrome grayscale image based on the current channel data, check the Monochrome checkbox. You can then use the color channel sliders to adjust the monochrome output if desired. Alternatively, to tint the monochrome output, uncheck the monochrome checkbox at that point, select the output channel to adjust, and then use the channel sliders to select the tinting effect to apply. To apply the channel mixer adjustment, if using the channel mixer dialog box, click the OK button. Alternatively, to cancel the adjustment and close the dialog box, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.